As we were discussing genetic disorders, now is Mendelian disorders. These are the disorders which can be traced in pedigree analysis. These are the disorders caused due to alteration or mutation of single gene. Under this category, we will be studying hemophilia, sickle cell anemia and phenylketonuria. In hemophilia, a single protein which is part of protein cascade involved in clotting of blood is affected. It is usually transferred from a carrier female to male. That is, if female is the carrier, it will be transferred if the progeny or the child is male, but it won't be transferred to a female. In this, a simple cut can lead to the bleeding till death. Next is sickle cell anemia. It is an autosome linked recessive trait disorder in which both the parents are carrier. The phenotype of the disease is seen in case of homozygous nature of chromosomes, that is this should be present. What is in this? The glutamic acid of 6th position of beta globulin chain of hemoglobin is substituted by valine. That is, on the 6th position of beta globulin chain of hemoglobin, instead of glutamic acid, valine is present. So what happens? Now this hemoglobin molecule, it polymerizes under low tension oxygen and forms a sickle shaped RBC like this. Next is phenylketonuria. In this disorder, the patient lacks an enzyme which is responsible for the conversion of phenylalanine to tyrosine. Now when phenylalanine is not converted to tyrosine, it is accumulated in body as phenylpyruvic acid. This accumulation of phenylpyruvic acid leads to mental retardation, as well as this phenylpyruvic acid is excreted in urine as it is absorbed by the kidney. So these are the three disorders which comes under the category of Mendelian disorders.